Hi mga ka-Ronbel, malipayong Miyerkules kaniyong tanan. Kumusta man mo? Ako, nidunggo pagyapong barko, pero di na kayo sakit. Basta masakitan ko, ikaon na ginanako, maong mag-shrimp ta karon. Nay nakiglalis diri nga prawns kuno ni. In North America, the term shrimp is used much more frequently, while the word prawn is most often used to describe larger species or those fished from fresh water. Pero scientifically distinct siya kay they come from different branches of crustacean family tree. According to www.bing.com, ay ang scientific name kay Carrie Day. Makaas ka kung healthy ba ni. Niingon ang healthline.com, medically reviewed by Jerlyn Jones. Despite being low in calories, shrimp contains many nutrients including iodine and antioxidants that may offer health benefits. But it is high in cholesterol, so just eat in moderation. Okay kuno siya sa heart and brain health. Daghang gilamian ani, in fact mo ni ang most commonly consumed types of shellfish. Sa mga allergy diha, sorry na lang. Ay gid pugsa og kaon kay lisod na. Komo na ko paagi sa pagluto, gigisa ra nako, nya gibutangan na kog sweet corn o gisabuan na kog Sprite. Nagpanikad na kog mukaon. Enjoy mo sa iyong lunch. Mo kay na Ronbel Gums.